Today, we're creating a futuristic matrix clone effect, a dotted shadow visual that adds ghosted silhouettes around your character, giving your clip a sci fi digital aura. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap your clip to select it. Next, tap Effects at the bottom. Now, go to Body Effects inside open the Stroke tab. Here, look for an effect called Dot Shadow and tap to apply it. You'll instantly see dotted silhouettes appearing around your subject, creating that matrix style duplicated motion. To refine the look, tap the effect again to open the adjustment sliders. Intensity controls how strong or detailed the dot matrix effect appears. Increasing it makes the dots more pronounced, lowering it keeps the effect subtle. Range adjusts how much glow or spread appears around the duplicated shapes. Higher values give a wider, more dramatic aura. Horizontal controls how far the ghost clones spread sideways. Increase it to create a broader scattered look. Decrease for tighter spacing. Filter changes the color or visual tone of the effect so you can match your scene's mood. Experiment with these settings until you get the perfect sci fi style, subtle for cinematic edits or bold for futuristic dance sequences. Play back your clip to preview the final animated effect. And that's it. You've created the Matrix clone effect in CapCut Mobile. Use it for action scenes, creative transitions, or music driven visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.